Okay, so this is the control board for the furnace. This is the thermostat wiring. This goes to the condensate switch. So the thermostat wire is connected to the condensate switch wire, and the other condensate switch wire is going to the control board. Now I'm going to go around and show. So same thing with the water heater. This is a to condensate pump switch, and this is going down into the condensate pump. I'm down in the dungeon. This is a thermostat wire that was up in the furnace. This was the other wire that I just showed you. It's coming right down into here. And then this is the wire that's coming from the tankless water heater. So what I have right now is 3-terminal waggle lock. And essentially I'm splicing in the water heater condensate switch into the furnace condensate switch. And so this wire is a dashed wire, this wire is a dashed wire, this wire is a writing wire, this wire is a writing wire, and I have red and black. So I just, in my mind, it made sense to just splice it in, and it's going down and connecting into this terminal on the Everbelt.